In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multi-currency feature in QuickBooks Online. Multi-currency in QuickBooks Online is designed around who you buy from and who you sell to. Instead of switching currencies on each transaction, the currency lives on the customer or vendor record. That means multi-currency works on a per customer and per vendor basis, and that design keeps your billing, payments, and reports consistent. After you enable multi-currency in your company settings, you'll notice a small but important change when you create a new customer or vendor. A currency dropdown appears on the profile. Choose the currency that person or business uses most often with you. This choice becomes part of their profile and drives the currency on every invoice, estimate, sales receipt, bill, or expense you create for them. Because the currency is locked to the profile, you can't flip it later for that same record. If you ever need to transact with the same customer in a different currency, simply create a second profile for them that uses the other currency. Many businesses add a short label to the name, like adding the currency code in parentheses, to make the two profiles easy to tell apart. The same approach applies to vendors as well. From that point on, the workflow is straightforward. Pick the customer or vendor, and QuickBooks automatically applies the currency from their profile. It will show the current exchange rate and convert amounts back to your home currency behind the scenes for account balances and reports. Your accounts receivable and accounts payable remain in your home currency, while each foreign currency transaction retains its original currency and rate for clarity. A few helpful tips as you set this up. Enabling multi-currency is a one-way switch, so be sure you need it before turning it on. Plan which customers and vendors actually require foreign currencies, and create those profiles with the correct currency from the start. If a profile already has activity, you won't be able to change its currency, so creating a new profile is the cleanest path whenever a different currency is needed. That's really all there is to it. Enable multi-currency, pick the right currency on each new customer or vendor, and create an additional profile whenever you need a different currency for the same organization. Keep names clear, let QuickBooks handle the conversions, and your international transactions will stay organized and accurate.